welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please click subscribe and like. It helps the channel very much. I just got this Chicago Electric heavy-duty mobile miter saw stand. I was going to take it apart and put it together and put it to use. Let's take a look. It comes very well packaged. These are the outboard stands. These are not roller stands. They appear to be a roller, but they're not. They're a solid piece that's a support. Here's some knobs. Here's some hardware. Here's the moving handle. And here's the other outfeed support. So when I took all the parts apart, this stand opens up very nicely with these little push button pins that start up here and open up here. These are the rails to support your miter saw. They come pre-fitted. They're nice. So I think those are going to be good. Now we'll just put the remaining parts here. These are the outboards and the tires, the wheels. We'll get those on, as well as the handle. I'm drawing your attention to this one leg that's adjustable in height, so if there's an irregular, uneven surface, this can be adjusted to level this out, which is really thoughtful, really nice. This is where the workpiece supports come in, and they fit in like this, but there's a metal plate which is nice, so the actual end of the screw of this lock doesn't engage the bracket. It's basically this metal piece, which is really nice. Keeps it nice. And again, here's the support. The axles for the tires fit in with this pinched area on the outside, and then a lock washer and a locking nylon insert nut. The tire and wheel with this large flange inboard, and then we have a large washer and again the nylon locking nut, so we can tighten those up. These are 13 millimeter nuts. Not that common of a size, actually. That tightens both sides at once. The tire spins freely. This is where the handle goes, but it goes in a downward position. Lines up with these holes. The machine screw goes through, and then another nylon lock nut goes here. And one here, and we'll secure those really quick. One very nice thing is, again, this is locked, and this is how we unlock it. We just push this lever in, and then from beneath there are these four carriage bolts, actually, that lock in place. And these screws can be moved back and forth to facilitate the mounting of your miter saw, which I think is really great. I'm pretty surprised it comes with this mounting hardware, which I think is really a great feature. And then once these four carriage bolts are secured with these spring washers, and these are movable, these will be able to shift and move. Then each one has two washers and a nut for the saw. Okay, let's go through a complete rundown. Here it is all assembled. These are movable with these locks. Push in, pull up, and they'll move back and forth. You'll line up your miter saw with these. The miter saw can connect with these or with a plate if you want to do that. This is the work support. This is a work stop. If you've got a board you want to set to a certain length and cut many of these, this is a work stop on this side. and here's a work stop on this side. And then the point where you want the work stop can be moved in and out, and obviously it can be raised, lowered, and adjusted to any height and any length, and boards up to 16 feet can be cut in this device. It has a handle, it has wheels, and it has a little support. So now that it's assembled, it's a pretty easy task to put it into its mobile position. Basically just tip that down, push those pins in, they'll lock. And same with these. No fuss, this is ready to go. The quality of the material seems very nice. These push buttons work really well. This is going to carry this, and again, super easy to move around. And not hugely stable, but not bad. Pretty stable because of those supports. Basically, you're going to be throwing it in the back of your truck, take it to the work site or your job or even in your yard or back in your workshop. Set it up, and setting it up actually goes pretty easily from this position. We'll just move this out here a little bit, and basically just tip it up, and it's good to go. So there it is. So thank you for watching again, Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please do click subscribe and like, it's very helpful. This is the review of the Central Machinery heavy duty miter saw stand. It's portable. Looks like it's really well made, stable, adjustable for terrain that's not level. The fit and finish looks good. It had all the parts necessary to put it together, and I think this is going to work well. So again, thank you very much, and please stay safe. Thank you.